Your bank account has a leak. Those small $15 subscriptions are costing you thousands. It's time to cut the dead weight. Are you ignoring those small $15 monthly charges? By the end of the year, these hidden costs add up to thousands of dollars of wasted money. Check your bank statement for every auto payment you don't use, like that old gym membership, extra streaming services, or ops you forgot about. Follow the use it or lose it rule. If you haven't used a service at least twice in the last month, cancel it immediately. You can always sign up again later. Share family plans. Instead of paying $20 alone, split the cost of streaming or phone plans with friends or family to cut your expenses in half. Don't get trapped by free trials. The moment you sign up, set a reminder on your phone to cancel it before they charge your card. Cancel at least one $10 subscription today. Tomorrow, for day 5, I'll teach you the 24-hour rule to stop overspending.